How to download music from SoundCloud quickly and easily. Let's say there's a track on SoundCloud that you love and you want to keep it for offline listening, maybe on your laptop, phone, or even USB. In this video, we will show you how to do it step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to ITPK. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now first let's go to the SoundCloud website and search for the song that I wanna download it. I wanna download the song called No Retreat. Let's search for it. Let's scroll down and here we find the three dots with more option where I can see the download file option. It means that the artist allow to download this song. So I am downloading this song directly to my computer and it will be downloaded immediately in my download folder. Now I can view it offline anytime on my computer. Now let's see the second way. There are some songs that don't have download option here. Just go ahead and open the song in its full page. Then scroll down through the description. Some artists include an external download link there. If you find one, simply go ahead and click on that link and follow the instruction. It may take you to another website like Dropbox, Google, or any other where you can go ahead and download this song manually. So here you can see the download button. Let's go ahead and download this song to my computer. And that's it. We have seen two simple ways to download music from SoundCloud. Please note that not all artists allow their tracks to be downloaded directly. However, many do provide this option either through SoundCloud itself or by sharing external download link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.